You know, everybody loves to barbecue, but everybody hates to clean the grill. And the outside always looks terrible. So I want to give you a couple of quick tips. First of all, if you have a stainless grill like this one is, use a good stainless steel cleaner. Pick one that you like, spray it on, use a paper towel to simply wipe it off. And I mean, seriously, look at the difference in that. If you're having a barbecue, you want it to look like that. If you don't have a stainless grill, wash it with some hot, soapy water and a scrubbing sponge. Then put on a coat of car wax. Car wax will protect the grill, the water will bead up and roll off, and you won't have to clean it as often. Okay, we talked about the outside of the grill. Let's go to the inside of the grill and see what we have to do. Okay, let's talk about cleaning the inside of the grill. Now, this is not going to be a deep clean. This is going to be, you got to grill some steaks and you need it cleaned up, or you want to clean it up when you're done grilling. So the first thing we're going to talk about is heat the grill up, or while it's still hot, we're going to spray on some white vinegar. And you can hear it as it hits. Then we're going to take a ball of foil, and I'm going to use these tongs because they will actually hold the foil and I won't burn my hands. But we're just going to go over it with the foil. Now, you can already see how the stuff is just falling off of there, and it's cleaning it. It does a great job, and that's nothing but white vinegar. Now, something else you can use, and I do this a lot if I'm grilling hamburgers. You can take an onion, and I'm going to just go ahead and use my hand on this, and you're just going to rub it over the grill. And you know what? Not only does it smell good, but it does a great job cleaning the grill. You'll be really pleased. And like I said, if you're doing hamburgers, do it before you do them. It gives them a great flavor. So when you're grilling, give these tips a try. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.